Hey there, my name is Sam, and I'm the lucky lady who snagged the successful and oh-so-handsome Jack. Yep, the man you just saw, that's him. You might know his story already. You know, the guy who stumbled upon a magical shirt that transported him to his successful future self. Remember? Well, if you don't, you have to find and watch the previous video where he tells his story. Ah yes, this one. Well, let me tell you, life hasn't been all sunshine and rainbows since then. I'm kidding, that was one shade of joke. Sorry I had to do it. So let me really tell you more about our journey as a couple. When Jack and I first met 12 years ago, he was already a big shot in his industry. I mean, the guy had more connections than a switchboard operator. Meanwhile, I was just a regular gal trying to make my way up as a journalist with a dream to one day have my own talk show. But when our eyes made contact for the first time, we both knew we were meant for each other. At first, I was intimidated by his success. I mean, the guy has it all. Success, fame, more money than I had ever dreamed of, and let's be honest, he's hot. But then I realized that I was just as much of a badass as he was, and that's when our partnership took off. Together, we faced all sorts of challenges that come with being in a relationship with a successful person. There were times when I felt like I was playing second fiddle to his career, and times when I had to put my dream on hold to support him. And even if it meant bribing him with pizza to get him to listen to my ideas, we always found a way to communicate and compromise. Yes, he also loves wearing my glasses. One of the biggest lessons we learned was the importance of trust. When you're with someone who's always in the spotlight, it can be easy to feel jealous or insecure. But we knew that we had each other's backs no matter what. And here's a selfie to prove it. #embarrassing secret selfie. But on a more serious note, traumas and childhood healing sessions were so beneficial for us, and I have to thank my energy healer for that. If you are curious and called to check her out, the link is in the comment below. Another lesson was the power of persistence. There were times when Jack faced setbacks and failures, and it would have been easy for him to give up. But he never did. He kept pushing himself, and at times powered through with excessive amounts of caffeine and a stubborn refusal to quit. These moments taught us to never quit on each other and always persevere the best we could. And of course, we always made time for fun and adventure. Whether it was taking a spontaneous road trip. Hold on. You already saw that one on the thumbnail, here's another one. So whether it was taking a spontaneous road trip, trying out a new hobby like meditation classes, or even hiking, we never forgot to enjoy life and each other's company. Sometimes we even pretended to be secret agents on a mission to save the world, but don't tell anyone. Now, years later, Jack and I are still going strong. We've faced our fair share of challenges, but we've come out on the other side stronger and more in love than ever. So to all the couples out there facing their challenges, when you choose and decide to heal and do the work, always remember to celebrate the small victories along the way. Remind yourself often how far you've come and why you are doing what you do. Have a lot of fun. And last but not least, remember that communication, support, and love can conquer anything. Damn, I did this. That was really good.
Hi, Dad. How are you?
Jack, we need to talk. I'm dying.